Number 3. Figures on her way. Oh, that big barrel one's looking good. Barrel 3, both 3. Barrel looking good. Little double back here, too. He's got to figure it out and move it down. The man to the track, leading the charge right now. DJ Mobile Seats leading outfit, Gateway Veterinary. Cody Guro drives him, and this is his team, and he's out and flying. He's out by 3 or 4 in front of Jeff Britton, where the Rose Farm was running second, also in along the rail. Another 10 lengths back, we pick up Black Rock Asphalt Paving. But no doubt about the leaders, got him out and flying right now. He did the job in the barrel. That is young Cody Guro out of Bellevue, Saskatchewan, driving his own rate. As he comes off the clubhouse 30, he's about a 4-length lead over Jeff Britton with the Rose Farms, who's running second, also in along the rail. Don't count out Black Rock Paving, he's got a late third. They ain't going to catch Cody today. Number 1, to the Rose Farm. Calling in for third will get Black Rock Asphalt.